Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add money to Kraken Pro app. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is to access your deposit section. So in the Kraken Pro app, tap on the portfolio tab, then select deposit, then choose the cryptocurrency, then search for and select the crypto you wish to deposit, for example BTC, Ethereum or USDT. Yeah, that depends on the one you want to deposit from the list. Then generate the deposit address. Kraken will also provide you with a deposit address for selected cryptocurrency. Then for certain cryptos like SRP, ensure you also note any required destination tag or memos. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer from your external wallet or exchange. Then send the desired amount of cryptocurrency to the provided Kraken address. Then use the copy function to avoid errors when entering the address, just to avoid your money lost. Then after that, await confirmation. So once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the fund will appear in the Kraken Pro app. Then the confirmation time varies depending on the cryptocurrency network. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.